Hi, your boy Richard here. Today I'm going to show you how to make money online with Builderall affiliate program. Yes, you heard right. How to make money online with Builderall affiliate program for free. For free, guys. This method is free. What this means is you don't have to pay anybody any money. You don't have to pay for any PPC. You don't have to pay for any course or any fees to get started. And you can start right now today. Now, I've got a lot of questions coming to me from people that read my content, read my blog, of course, follow me on Facebook or my page, asking, how do I get to start to make money online? Is this program legit? Is it real? Can it work? I've seen a lot of comments. If you notice my posts, most of them had these questions on them. And today, I'm going to answer that question by reviewing this particular affiliate program that you can actually start making money online right from now, without paying anybody any money, any upfront cost of no sort. Now, what this program is an affiliate program. It is new, it's wonderful. It's got more than 40,000 satisfied clients going on, and it's got millions of potential customers and people and users who are actually utilizing the product. And what the program is all about is websites, online tool setup, sales funnels, email optimization, email correspondence, email marketing tools, landing pages, sales funnels, and so on and so forth. It's all wrapped up in one. So that means anything anybody that is doing online today, you must need one of those products. Now, if you go to real-time online searches, website, in real-time online internet users, you notice that millions and millions of people are searching for how to set up a website or how to build a website in 1 minute, under 1 minute. I mean, millions of people. You can actually use this product to actually help them to fulfill their need. Now, the affiliate program in this particular product is wonderful in a way that you can easily leverage this, set it up, and then you don't have to do much work. All you need to do is set this up in the first place, and it will run itself, and you can be making money while you are sleeping. That's how wonderful this particular product works. Yes, there is a little bit of work that is required. Of course, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. If you are looking for such, I would say, please click away or go somewhere else who will sell you something that will take your money or scam you and so on and so forth, because this right here is no scam. This right here is pure work. It takes a little bit of effort, but if you do it right and set it up, it builds itself. And I'm actually going to show you the process of what you can do to be able to get it started and then run it on itself. Now, if you are struggling with how to make money online, of course, in this particular crisis moment or pandemic moment, and you are stuck at home, you lost your job or potentially you have no job coming, but you need to get something started, this particular program right here is the best alternative for you to make sure that you get the right opportunity to start making money online. You are not selling anything to anybody. You are not calling anybody. And you are not forcing anybody to buy anything. You are actually leveraging the tools they have to help people. In the process of helping people, you get paid. The product is simple, and the system is very simple. And I will quickly show you the commission range, what you can be able to get. You get 3 parts of commission using this particular product. That's why I said, once you set this up, it runs on its own. That means you can be making money while you are sleeping. You can be making money while you are actually using the toilet. Now, remember, one of the popular quotes said that somebody very, high up in intellectualities quoted, said, and I quote, once you're able to find a way to make money while you are sleeping, you can never ever stop working for somebody else. That means the only way to survive out of the rat race is if you can find a way to start making money while you are sleeping. You will always continue to work for somebody else. Now, the first personal commission that comes to you when you make any sales with this particular program is 100%. That means whatever you sell is yours for the first time. And now the second personal sales recurring commission is coming every month. That is 30% of what this particular value is coming to you every month. Now, you got this third tier recurring commission again. Third tier recurring. I hope I got that right. Yeah. Third tier recurring commission coming back to you. That means if you refer somebody and they become an affiliate, for example, and they make sales, then whatever they get, whatever the sale is, you get 30% commission of it, and that does not affect the commission they get. So the company is actually giving you money away for helping people out. So you're not making only one commission, guys. You are making 100% for the first sales, and then 30% of decent sales every month. Because remember, the best way to survive the rat race is to find a reoccurring passive income. And this particular program is perfect for it. So that means you get paid every month. If you set this up right, like I'm going to show you guys, you can do this while you're sleeping. Make money while you're sleeping, literally. You see, this is not just about becoming an affiliate. It's about building a solid and lasting business. So what it is you are building something that's going to last, something that's going to leave a footprint, something that's going to change your life. But you have to start somewhere. You have to start with an action. You have to take action. So it's not enough to start throwing questions around on Facebook, asking people or how to make money fast, how to make money easy, how to make money free. That's how you get yourself scammed. But if you watch videos like this and you take action, you can build something that's going to last, and you are not paying anybody any money, any fund upfront for no reason. So all I'm doing is trying to bring you these opportunities, make it easy for you to be able to start something today and be able to make money online without costing you any arms or leg. Now, let's quickly see what people are talking about in this program. Of course, it's not just my word. Let's just see what people are talking about this particular program, and I'll just turn on this video, guys. By the way, if your speaker is very high or something, please maintain the balance so that it doesn't affect your ear or something. Just to quickly put it out there. So I'm just gonna click this and let. Sorry about that, guys. I hope you enjoyed that a little bit. But I just quickly want to show you, how excited people are, to actually work with this particular program. Builderall Affiliate is one of the best affiliate program out there, guys. I mean, you make really serious money, and you have little effort, because you're helping people. You're actually introducing the product in front of people who actually need it. These products help them to improve their business, help them to change their lives, help them to do more work with less time and efficiently and effectively, and also get results. So you are a kind of a pioneer. You are kind of a solution provider. Let me call it. Can I say solution provider? Yes, actually. So this is what this program is all about. It's so exciting, guy. And you don't have to be, a programmer or a specialist in one or two skills not to set this up. Everything you need is already provided in this particular program. All the tools you need to get started in this program is already provided. So all you have to do is plug and play. Create an email, create a free account with your email, and you have the sales funnel, the lead funnel, the website funnel, all the tools you need to start creating, to start selling, spreading the word. All you need to do is copy the link, copy a link, go to Bitly, for example, and then you shorten the link, and with that shortened link, you can be able to start spreading the word. Because if you post that long link on the Facebook, of course, it's not be comfortable, it's not nice looking. People wouldn't, relate with that. But if you shorten the link like this, for example, you can copy that and then go to your Facebook page, and then also look for people that are struggling. For example, in a group you join people that are struggling, contribute, not just spam them, contribute, talk about, solution, or you can use, an intuition, to, spread the word there, and people will interact with that. If they like it, they can be able to go back to the program with the link you provided, and then they'll be able to sign up. And when they sign up, they start using the free version, of course, their customer. When they sign up as a paying customers, you get commission, and that goes on and on. And if you can also, make more money by introducing other people that want to make money with this particular program. For example, people are struggling to make money online, and people lost their job because everybody's at home in the lockdown situation. You can actually, talk about this program on your Facebook page, or your Twitter, or your Instagram, or even on Facebook, or on YouTube, do a video just like I'm doing right now, get a free software that can enable you to do a screencast show like this, and then you can talk about this program, and then people will be able to relate with, people will be able to, listen to it, watch it, and then if they're interested, they click on the link, they can easily go over and then get started, start promoting this product, and then they'll get commission from people that are interested in the services. And also, once they make sales, you as the introducer of that particular affiliate person will get paid from the company, and that commission does not affect what the affiliate is getting. So it's a kind of building a solid business for yourself. You're kind of building a solid business for yourself, something that's going to last for long and enable you to make money in 3 equal ways coming to you every month. You're making 100% commission for the first sale, and then you are making 30% commission recurring every month based on the sales you made, and you're also making 30% commission if this person you introduce someone else without this affecting how much they're getting, but you're getting paid from the company, the Builderall company, directly. You see, it's wonderful. Now, let me quickly show you how much you can make, the possibly amount of money you can make if you put just little effort in this particular program. Now, let's say, now this is the premium package, right? Let's say this premium package comes to £69 $90, and you use this premium planning simulator, which I've already opened here. For example, I've already opened it here. Now, let me say in a year, from January to December 31st of a particular year, for example, this year 2020, and you were able to get 20 sales, right? Just 100 sales. You're able to make 100 sales. This is just minimum, because if you put an effort in this, you can make more than this, of course. If you have a website or a platform that is, have high intensity of traffic coming in, you can easily reach this figure under 1 month. But I'm using this, conservatively to be a bit more realistic, So this what does is a calculator that enable you to know how much you can earn with this particular program. Now you're able to get 100 sales, okay? Now you're able to introduce maybe 100 people, in a year. 12 months is just a piece of cake if you are serious about making money online, of course. And don't forget, this could be a side gig. This could not be your main income, and just side gig. Once a while post on a Facebook or Twitter or YouTube or Instagram can easily get you these numbers in a month. All right. Now this number grows, and you can be able to, and also how many sales can each of these particular people can make. See, this is not kind of multi-level marketing. No. This is not bullshit like that. What this is, guys, is if you can earn money by making sales, of course. You can also earn money by introducing other affiliate programs. And don't forget, their commission does not affect yours. You get paid directly from the company. They get paid exactly how much you're getting paid. Now, if they end up making sales, so let me say they're making 80 sales in the same year, this is how much you stand to make in that year: $169,857.00 in a year. Okay, now answer this. How hard is it to get 100 sales? Okay, let me say 80 sales, 70 sales, 50 sales, to be more conservative, guys. Now, how hard is it for you to get at least 100 affiliates joining this particular program using your own marketing method? All right, or let me say conservatively 50 of them. All right, and let's just drop it down a little bit. Just go down. Let's make it, for the sake of time, like I said, under 50 minutes you can do this. But I'm just gonna be more conservative here. Okay, let's say 60 sales in a year. All right, okay, bring this down to, can you watch how this calculator is changing the figures here? That is the magic of how much you can make with this particular program under 1 year. And when you divide that under 12 months, you'll be seeing nearly 12,000 every month, 12,000 every month. When you multiply that in a year, you can see what it is. Guys, it's not impossible. It's not impossible. It is possible. See, you just have to take action. You have to apply yourself. People ask questions, how do I make money online? But they still end up being victim of a lot of scams out there, because you are looking for shiny objects, something that will get you money quickly. That doesn't work. You get yourself scammed. This program right here works. So please, if you value this program, if you value this video today, please, if you're watching it on Facebook, for example, click the subscribe button, like and share. If you're watching on Facebook or YouTube, click like, subscribe, like and share. On Facebook, like and share. Comment your questions. I'll be happy to get back to you. Thank you so much, guys, and stay blessed and stay safe. God bless. Bye-bye.